SideTracksPro.com. That's the green Goblin. A couple of days ago the VR Evo came in. It's got a steel rope, 8,000-pound winch from Warn. Let's see. There she is. Steel rope, steel cable. No slivers, huh? Not yet. It's pretty cool. Heavy duty. It's gonna go on this here green Goblin. Here's the bumper in progress. And the screw plate is about a foot apart. 4 bolts required. This top shelf of the bumper will be gone, and this will be recessed inside of the bumper. It's going to fit in the middle, right about there. Fair lead and stuff going to come out there. I guess we got rollers in here, probably. I guess. So that's where it's going to roll out through the middle of the bumper. It's going to roll out of there like something like that. And it's going to be pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. The hook. Cotter pin to go at the end of the cable, like so. This is something we like. One of these will have the remote in it. It's a wired remote. And that's it right there. Little handheld, couple of switches on it. Plugs in thusly. Like that. And that would go to the winch. And that way you can stand to the side and go in, out, in, out. And hope that the cable doesn't break and snap you in the face. Because steel cable holds a lot of energy. And when they break, they not recoil, they go flinging. You can get very, very hurt. Solid. It's a solid thing. Here's the controller up here. So in my case, when this is sitting down, I don't know if I'll cut the whole top shelf off of the bumper, or just enough for tools to get in and a controller to stick up out of. Maybe I will do that. So I don't think it'll fit inside of the hole right now. Nope. But if it was that, I mean the controller can stick up and the rest could be inside. But still you need room to get some tools in there to do connections and stuff. The rollers are inside the bumper right now. It's all open, it's not closed in yet. The winch is sitting on top shelf, which will be cut away. The winch itself will then fall into that whole space and behind the rollers. That controller, which says Warn on it, that'll stick up. If it won't be all open, if that whole top shelf won't be gone completely and all open, I'll have at least an opening about this much, this big, this wide, to allow the controller to stick up through and still be able to get some tools down in. So quite a bit of the top shelf needs to be cut away, if not all of it. I might cut all of it off, I don't know. That's a design issue for tomorrow. We shall see. But we know it fits. Heavy duty, man. Love it. Can't wait to see it all put together. All closed in and the whole fabrication be done. Because right now it's just roughed in with some supports. And that'd be the bumper on the green Goblin. SideTracksPro.com